Okay guys, right. If you look through the current videos and you see the entry method that I'm teaching, okay, and you basically got this reversal pattern, it's like 3 pins, okay. Now, when you're on the lower time frame, the lower you go, the more difficult it gets to read, okay. That's fair enough. As you move up the time frames, you're filtering out all the noise, okay. Now, sometimes even the 30-minute can be a little bit noisy, okay. So what are you going to do? Well, here's a signal, buy, back down, trying to take your stop loss. It's not quite moving up, right? Again, back down, you don't know what to do. So what do? You end up not taking a trade, or maybe you think, oh, hang on, do you know what? This is actually rejecting. We're still moving down, This is a 4-hour zone, right? This is a 4-hour zone that price has stayed above since Tuesday, right? If you look at the 4-hour candles, not much closes below here on the 4-hour. So anyway, if you get to a point where you're struggling, okay, move up a time frame. Now what have we got? This is crystal clear. This is crystal. I can't say it properly because it's that crystal, right? We got a bearish liquidity grab. One low, lower low, higher low. Okay, then we start to come up. We got this rejection pattern. Wait for this candle to form the wick. Is it breaking the previous 2 wicks? No. So what have we got now? We've got higher highs being formed, right? This is the key to getting these explosive trades, right? So you don't need to enter on this candle, right? You don't need to enter on the close of this candle. Wait for the candle to come down. Let the candle tell you what it's going to do. If it's respecting these wicks here, set your limit order, few pips above, set your stop loss just below, okay. The more you do it, the more you're going to get confidence. A 1-hour time frame is more there's more confluence to a 1-hour time frame than there is to a 30-minute, to a 15-minute and lower down. So if you do find that you're getting stuck in this and you don't know what to do, maybe you took the trade on this candle here, you still would have made profit, it would have been the same process, right? But you got more confluence here on the 1-hour, okay. It's 2R here at this level. Next level up, you got 3R basically, and the magic number that I've been talking about for weeks and weeks, 2063. You got 4.85R. I suppose you could have held it to 5R. That's on a 100k account, right? That's £5,000. That's a £5,000 trade. So you got to put the work in. You got to learn and educate yourself to an extent where you can read these candles as they're forming, right? It's very good for me to sit here and preach about it, but ultimately you got to put the work in. I mean, look at that 15-minute time frame is a mess, right? 30-minute time frame, consolidation. 1-hour time frame, crystal clear. It's crystal. You cannot get more crystal clear than that.